What if the cost of your next used car suddenly skyrocketed? The 55th GST Council meeting has brought some surprising changes. The 55th GST Council meeting. Held in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, the meeting was chaired by Union Minister Smt. Nirmala Sitharaman and attended by various state finance ministers. One of the key highlights was the increase in GST rate on old and used vehicles from 12% to 18%, including electric vehicles. This hike could mean a higher tax burden for sellers, potentially leading to increased prices for consumers. However, there's a silver lining. GST is only applicable on the margin of the supplier, not the full value of the vehicle. The Council also made significant changes to GST rates on various goods and services to provide relief and facilitate trade. For instance, the GST rate on fortified rice kernel has been reduced to 5%, making it more affordable and promoting better nutrition. Gene therapy has been fully exempted from GST, potentially reducing the cost of advanced medical treatments. Merchant exporters will benefit from a reduced compensation cess of 0.1% on supplies, boosting exports by lowering costs. The Council also extended a concessional 5% GST rate on food inputs for free distribution to economically weaker sections. In terms of services, sponsorship services have been brought under the forward charge mechanism, simplifying tax collection. Contributions from third-party motor vehicle premiums to the Motor Vehicle Accident Fund are now exempt from GST. Adjustments in GST rates for hotel accommodation based on the value of supply aim to provide more transparent pricing for consumers. The Council clarified that fresh green or dried pepper and raisins supplied by an agriculturist are not liable to GST. A unique identification marking system for specified commodities has been introduced to prevent tax evasion and ensure traceability. The Council also approved measures for IGST settlement issues, with changes to be concluded by March 2025. Procedural rules for the internal functioning of the GST Act will be notified after examination by the Law Committee. The time frame for the group of ministers on GST compensation restructuring has been extended till June 30, 2025. A group of ministers will examine and recommend a uniform policy on levy imposition in case of natural disasters. These changes aim to simplify GST compliance, reduce tax burdens, and provide clarity on various issues. Stay tuned on GST India News at www.gstindianews.info, as these recommendations, once implemented, will significantly impact businesses and individuals, fostering a more streamlined GST regime.